Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link. We made it to Friday, 3:30, which means the sun is setting in about an hour. And of course, these incredible high temperatures today, which obviously well above average, felt more like spring, topping out in the middle to upper 60s. I mean, the average high is 53. It's 13 degrees above average. We'll keep things mild for this evening. Looking at New Bedford, as of about 3:30 this afternoon, just partly sunny, partly cloudy skies, comfortable, no precipitation yet. As we take a look at what we're keeping an eye on, well, for one, a mild and dry for this evening, temperatures in the 50s. Though later in the evening and overnight, I do expect some patchy fog and even the chance of a shower, though I'm thinking that'll be after midnight. Saturday, for the most part, is A, it's not stormy, B, it's not a washout, and C, it's actually mostly dry. But with that said, some showers early, very light and scattered during the morning. It'll dry out in the afternoon. In fact, I do expect a bit of sun to come out the second half of the day. It'll start to turn windy as well. It'll start off in the 50s, then drop into the 40s. So Saturday's not perfect, but by no means is it a washout. Sunday still looks dry, though, breezy, colder or cooler. I mean, temperatures in the upper 40s, a little blustery, but otherwise not a bad day for mid to almost late November. The average high for this time of year is 53, and we're looking at actually 57 tomorrow, but that actually occurs during the morning. It'll fall into the 40s during the afternoon. We are colder Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, especially on Monday into Tuesday. Wednesday, we spike to 53, big travel day before Thanksgiving, and that actually will have some rain and some wind, especially during the morning. Cold, but dry for Thanksgiving Thursday. High temperature, only lower to middle 40s, and then cold and dry for the Friday after Thanksgiving as well. So we are tracking this cold front through upstate New York. We'll get to that in just a second. Pretty big storm developing offshore right in here. Normally be a little concerned about this, but it looks like the track is going to be far enough offshore so that it's a miss. So where do we get our showers from? Light and scattered. It'll be from this system right in here. This is a cold front in upstate New York. That'll advance to the east late tonight into early Saturday morning. Here's a close-up look at it. This precipitation is still west of Albany. Doesn't look like much. We see some little tiny specks of green offshore down here off the mid-Atlantic. A couple of these isolated showers are going to sneak in here probably after midnight. And because the humidity is high this evening and overnight, we'll probably get some fog redeveloping again later in the evening and during the overnight. When we take this into the future, you see, that storm system and the bulk of the rain clearly is offshore. It's a miss. But we'll get some scattered showers and very light early in the morning. Now, this is fairly progressive. Watch how rapidly it pulls away. I mean, here we are by mid-afternoon, mid to late day. We're already starting to see some clearing, and the temperatures will be dropping, setting up for windy, dry, colder Saturday night. This is Sunday, breezy, dry. We'll have to call it chilly. Temperatures upper 40s, low 50s. I mean, really, it's a pretty good day, actually, for November. And then when we jump ahead to Monday morning, a cold below freezing to start the day on Monday with upper 20s to around 30. Monday afternoon, even with sunshine, actually looks pretty chilly, but staying on the dry side. So you're heading out this evening, the weather is fine. It's mild. It's partly cloudy. If you're out towards like 10, 11 o'clock midnight, we'll start to see some fog developing, so be mindful of that. But look at the temperatures in the 50s. So for Saturday, that's the cloudiest part of the day with some scattered light showers. Best chance is actually early in the morning. And again, this is not heavy, more nuisance than anything else. By 11 a.m., it's actually drying out, and we start to see some partial clearing by 1 o'clock in the afternoon, peaks of sun, and then becoming partly sunny later in the afternoon and clear by 5 o'clock in the evening. And what will happen is once the sun comes out, the temperatures will actually start to drop. Bay forecast for Saturday, we've got a wind shift with the approach of a cold front west and then north, 10 to 15, but gust to 25 knots. So we do have a small craft advisory, and again, a few very light kind of nuisance showers in the morning and then drier in the afternoon.